How to get rid of bloating in 15 minutes. Do you feel bloated after every meal? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of bloating in 15 minutes or less. Hey, my name is Sasha, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of bloating in 15 minutes or less. A lot of people don't know this, but bloat can be caused by a number of things, such as eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, and eating processed foods. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to feel better after meals, then keep watching. But before we get started, please take a moment to smash the subscribe button to help us in our quest to reach 2,000 subscribers. Bloating can be uncomfortable and embarrassing, but fear not, there are a few steps you can take to reduce it quickly. Here's how you can get rid of bloating in 15 minutes. Drink water. Drinking water helps flush out your system, which can help reduce bloating. Try having a large glass or two when feeling bloated. Eat light foods. Binge eating or heavy meals can cause your stomach to swell up. Try snacking on lighter foods like fruits and vegetables instead. Exercise. Exercise gets your digestive system moving so that food moves through your body faster, preventing any buildup of gas in the gut. Go for a walk or light jog. Avoid carbonated drinks. Sodas and other carbonated drinks contain gas which adds extra pressure to your stomach, making it harder for food to pass through. Replace sugary sodas with herbal teas instead. Take digestive enzymes/probiotics. Digestive enzymes and probiotics both help break down food more easily, reducing the amount of gas produced in the gut and thus eliminating bloating. Make sure you buy quality brands with live cultures though. Reduce sodium intake. Too much sodium in our diets can cause our bodies to retain more water than needed. Try keeping an eye on sodium levels by avoiding processed foods as much as possible. Watch your diet. Keep an eye out for foods that tend to trigger bloating like beans, cabbage, onions, and dairy products. They should be avoided if you want quick relief from symptoms. Peppermint tea. Peppermint has natural antispasmodic properties which helps relax abdominal muscles as well as reduce bloat. Enjoy a cup of peppermint tea with honey for best results. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to get rid of bloating fast and feel better within just 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us reach 2,000 subscribers and then watch this video to the left of your screen.